Hello and welcome to Company 360's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss why intellectual property rights are important in the current era. IPR is a significant tool in today's era. The risk of an innovation getting infringed without the knowledge of the inventor stands very high. With the increase in the importance of IP, instances of IP crimes have become the part and parcel of the digitized era, sometimes even leading to failure of businesses. Companies rely on adequate protection of their patents, trademarks and copyrights, while customers make use of IP to ensure that they purchase secure, assured goods. An IP asset is like any other physical property offering commercial benefits to businesses. In a web-based world, IP protection is much more relevant as it is comparatively simpler than ever to reproduce any specific template, logo or functionality. Hence, strong IP laws give protection to IP and contribute to the economy of the respective state. Let's understand the benefits of IP rights in current times. Innovative idea is a means to earn profit. Ideas have limited to no worth on their own. IP has great untapped potential to turn innovations into products and services which are commercially viable. The registering of copyright and patent will result in a constant stream of fee and increased income that will boost the overall market result. Secondly, export business opportunities. The productivity of a company in the export market is also improved by intellectual property. An IP right holder may use these logos or designs to sell products and services in foreign countries and may obtain a franchise arrangement with the overseas corporation or export the proprietary products. Thirdly, encourage the ideas by securing them. There will still be people who will attempt to duplicate a unique idea or concept or development for monetary benefit. It is therefore necessary to protect the IP properties from unlawful infringement from a third party. For all forms and sizes of companies, IP security may be implemented. Thus, after evaluating the market needs and situations, a person should determine which intellectual property right should be used to cover the various areas of its IP. And finally, business growth. For ensuring growth and profit, it is important for enterprises, more so in case of small-scale businesses, to shield their exclusive goods or services from the rivals who may snatch away their market share. Losing market share in the initial phases of business cycle can be dangerous in the long run to an enterprise's health. Let's look at the relationship between the pandemic and IPR. Political leaders around the world have formed proposals to expand access to IP rights pertaining to COVID-19. For example, the EU is considering buying COVID-19 related rights to set up a pool or fund of publicly owned patents. Several countries are now considering a compulsory license scheme whereby governments permit a third party to perform or use a certain procedure without the patent owner's consent. Another point here to look at is strong and enforced intellectual property rights protect consumers and families. Strong IP rights help consumers make an educated choice about the safety, reliability, and effectiveness of their purchases. Enforced IP rights ensure products are authentic and of high quality that consumers recognize and expect. IP rights foster confidence and ease of mind that consumers demand and markets rely on. It is imperative to note that it is the sole responsibility of the proprietor to protect his intellectual property from infringement by any person or party, as no one else will make an effort to inform that your IP rights are violated by someone. It can be concluded that the IP protection is indispensable, and all countries must have strong laws for protecting intellectual property rights. It is high time for all nations to duly recognize the IP rights of their native individuals and companies. In order to finally improve the structure of IP laws in international trade and to ensure the long-term social and economic development of society, countries need to strike a perfect balance on how to secure the intellectual property rights of individual or companies. The laws should neither be too strict nor they should be too lenient. With this video comes to an end. If you want to know more about this topic, do visit our website or connect with us via email or contact number. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.